Hello everyone! Today, we'll see CrownCAD's variable management function via Pulley Design. In the process of enterprise standardization, national standard parts and enterprise general purpose parts are indispensable. Firstly, let's find the variable management function in the toolbar and fill in the required variable contents and values. Besides, we can also quickly complete variable settings by importing Excel files. We also can simply use English letters for variable names. Now, let's start sketching. When dimensioning, just enter the preset variable names in Variable Management. At this time, the variable values will be automatically imported into the corresponding dimension values. This operation can convert dimension information into variable dimension values, facilitating subsequent parameter modification. Then, for areas that don't require variable management, simply create sketches using conventional modeling. Doing this ensures that dimensions without variable management won't be impacted by variable dimensions. After the model is fully done, we can add it to the knowledge base for use as standard parts or general purpose parts. Select the parts to be added and check the parametric content option. In the parametric list, we can either quickly add the variable dimensions of the model or directly import Excel files for batch settings. After setting the part names, the system will automatically generate serialized parts in the knowledge base. Then open the assembly file and check the created pulley series parts. Select based on your actual need. Then we can generate pulley models of different sizes and specifications. Start your project today at www.crowncad.com.